How to find account settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find account settings on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite and then click on your profile and then click these three lines in the top corner, and here we'll find settings and then click this one, account. And as you see here, you can manage your account settings, you can manage your personal information, or just manage anything you want, and that's it. Just go back, it will be saved. And that's how to find account information settings. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.